Hey folks, and welcome back to another ESEA Consolidated application video. In this video, we're going to go over the targeted assistance school pages. Let's jump right in. All right, now that we're in our Grants for Me application, we can see by the red text at the top that we are on the test site, so we're not impacting anybody on live. So now what we need to do is go to our Create School and District Projects, because we need to create our targeted assistance school project in order to then take a look at those pages. So I went to Add Project. I'm going to select the regular school project, not the school-wide project or the non-public school, just the regular school project. And then from here, you'd have to actually select a school that you want to associate with this. So I'm just going to choose the Blue Hill Consolidated School. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here and I'm just going to put some money in it so that everything will show up. And head back to sections. There we go. All right, now I can scroll down and I can see that let's see where to go. Here we go. Our school project, the Blue Hill Consolidated School Project, is right here. And so there is the budget. Again, you should be working with your business managers when doing these budget pages so that you can get the object and function code. So you put money in the correct places. The next page that we have here is the annual school needs assessment page. So if you are a one school district, then you do not need to complete this page because your district needs assessment is the same as your school needs assessment. But if you are not a one school district, then you do have to complete this. So this looks very similar to our annual district needs assessment page. And if you want to go check that out, you can as well. There is a video for that one. But basically what we're looking for is the stakeholders, the dates that the needs assessment was conducted, and then we ask that you describe the process to conduct or update the comprehensive needs assessment for the upcoming academic year, and be sure to specify the data sources that were reviewed when determining the school's needs, and then listing out those identified areas of high need that came up as a result of the comprehensive needs assessments. And then we get down into the goals page. And so just like the district needs assessment, we've given our example of a SMART goal. Students who are at or above grade level will increase from 52 to 55% on the Math NUIA by spring of 22. And then we break it down to show the different pieces of the SMART goal itself. And so on these, in the school needs assessment, there are 3 goals listed, 2 of which are required. The third one is optional. And these goals can be whatever the school deems necessary as identified by the areas of high need. So that takes care of this page. So again, very similar to the annual district needs assessment. After the annual school needs assessment page comes the project details. So we're going to jump over into that one. So in this page, we've updated the language for the project description. So now the language says, provide a description of the ESEA funded programs and activities that will be carried out at this school. Be sure to clearly describe how funding from various programs will support expenses related to the following as applicable: supplemental instruction, student health and safety, professional development, family engagement, academic enrichment, educational technology, interventions, support for multi-language learners, class size reduction. And then also, if a Title I program is provided at the school, please also describe the Title I programming. So we want to know the staffing structure, the academic intervention services being provided, and then the student identification process. So those things will need to be described in this first text box. And then the second text box is the justification on how the proposed project relates to the outline needs in the annual district or annual school needs assessment page. My apologies. So that is the project details page for the schools. The big piece here is the updated language for providing those project details. let's see. So yeah, that's all there is to the Targeted Assistance School Project page, or pages, I should say. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your ESEA Regional Program Manager, as we're always happy to assist in any way that we can. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.